Today we're drawing Haaland Super Buu. I'm QJO. Let's draw. Let's begin with the face details. Draw the two sharp eyes first. Then add the small nose, the smiling mouth, and the confident eyebrows above. Now draw the face shape around the features, keeping the cheeks rounded and the chin small. Add one ear on each side of the face. Then, draw the simple details inside them. Draw the large hair shape across the top and around the back of the head. Add several curved lines to show the direction and details of the hair. Draw the tied hair section at the back. Then, add the small pointed hair ends. Draw the shirt below the head, then add the collar, sleeves, chest pattern, and the small badge. Draw the first arm bent down toward the waist, and add the hand resting on the hip. Draw the other arm raised upward, then finish it with a strong clenched fist. Add the wide belt below the shirt, then draw the simple design in the middle. Draw the loose pants, keeping both sides wide and adding a few simple folds. Draw the first leg going straight down. Then add the sock and football boot. Draw the other leg bent upward, with the foot resting on top of the soccer ball. Finally, draw the round soccer ball under the foot and add the classic panel pattern. And boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!